Welcome everyone. This is my first video ever I'm gonna upload, so I apologize in advance for the production quality. I promise it will improve in time with each video, hopefully. Um, I was thinking for quite a long time what will be the first video I will make. I am very interested and engaged in AI GPT technologies. Since December 2022, I've been all over it. I've been studying it up and down, really trying to understand everything that's behind it, how it works, where it came from, what it means. In this channel, I would like to create videos that will be educational, instructional, informative. I will try to share the current news, the latest news, which is actually this video. And also I will be showing you how to develop applications on top of these technologies eventually. Since I'm a software developer, so that's my kind of thinking. Anyway, besides developing, I'm also very interested in languages and philosophy. So for me, this chat GPT technology combines everything all together, and this is just a beautiful fit. So today we have a new model that's being researched, and actually now its demo is already available online, and you can try it. This is called, as you can see, PandaGPT. One model to instruction, follow them all, which is taken from obviously Lord of the Rings, one ring to rule them all. If I remember correctly, that the ring also bind them into darkness. And I hope this technology is the actual opposite of what will be happening. What is PandaGPT? Meaning one model to follow them all. What all? Well, following the example of GPT-4 and their latest capability of you being able to upload image, and the GPT technology can understand the image and then have a conversation with you about it. Uh, these researchers from universities and institutes came together and decided, well, let's do it. Let's do it ourselves as well, and experiment a bit more on it. They put together this Panda GPT, and as we can read here, they managed to combine six modalities together, meaning the model can now understand images, video, and even audio, besides several others. So this is very important for the AI and the next era of development. I think this is pretty big. And besides this showcasing video and the architecture of the model, of how it works, and then actually we can see even examples. Uh, let's just have a look here. Here we can see that this is where you provide the input. So you upload a picture or a video or audio file. It then goes through the, recognizing these modalities and media content from it, then actually translates that to language using Vicuna model, which is based on Llama, that was open sourced and actually leaked from Meta company. But now it's available for research, and everybody is trying to build new things upon it, and they are doing a pretty good job. So that's the basic architecture of the thing. And when we scroll a little bit down, we can see the beautiful examples. So we upload the audio, and it can recognize what's the sound, what it is, what's being sound on the audio file, in the audio file. So, and then you can have a conversation with it because it's a GPT, it's a conversational GPT. so it can recognize the sound and then talk about it just as well. You can upload video, and it can understand the content of the video, and then you can talk about it. Uh, Here we can see that you upload the picture, and the intelligence will simply tell you what the picture is, and it can even recognize people, because most people will recognize Elon Musk, and he's all over the internet. So obviously when you show the artificial intelligence picture of Elon Musk, it will recognize him. This one is interesting. A recording of thunder and pouring rain. So we record just the sound, just a few sounds, audio of it, and then you upload image, and then you ask it, write a short story about what you see and hear. So this is, I think, the biggest thing here currently, because this gives you the possibility to actually create your own original stories, or have it written for yourself, but actually, while not being necessary for you to specify the background of the story, the settings, anything about it. Actually, you can find any picture you like of any theme in any setting in any world, upload it, then imagine whatever sounds you would like to be engaged in that world, and then let the intelligence write a story for you, and it will be a good, relevant, contextual story based on that image and that audio file. So I think this just gives so many possibilities of production, of creativity, storytelling. Anybody can make their own stories right now in any style. So I think this example is pretty big. The others basically then seems all a bit same. This one might be actually also interesting. When you imagine, this is a recipe, but imagine the possibilities. Actually, even the recipes, it's a fine thing. So you have a video or an image of a meal, and it's already, it's on the plate, it's finished, it's ready to eat. And imagine that you wouldn't have the recipe for it, you would just see the picture, but you like it seems very delicious, right? So now you can feed it to this intelligence, it will recognize from the image what it is, because when the intelligence will be interpreting the image, it will actually recognize all the ingredients that are there. So then from there you have a list of ingredients, and then you just ask it to make a recipe with those ingredients, right? And that's it. So I think this is pretty neat, and obviously then just imagine the possibilities you can do. So when we go back, I would like to just show one more thing, because obviously, here you have the basic useful links which you might need. If you are a researcher, then you might go here, or if you are a developer, then you might be interested in these things. For most of the people, I would like to just show for now the demo. So from here you can click on the demo, and it will take you to the Hugging Face platform. If you don't have an account, you can just make one for free and log in. And once you log in for free, you will see exactly the same screen. And you can already see the interface. You can see the basic information, what the GPT technology it is based upon, which we talked about. It's the Vicuna based on Llama. Anyway, here you can already see the different inputs you can provide. So you can upload what you want and then talk with the bot about it. So let's try it. I actually prepared PandaGPT. I actually tested this already with one image, and it worked well. And I was thinking I will try this one and see what will happen live. So let's go for it. I will put it here. I guess we all know what the picture is about, and so I will just ask, describe the picture. Let's just do this and submit. Now it will work for a few seconds. I mean, interestingly enough, I'm the only one in the cube, in the queue, not in the cube. And here we go. Image shows a close-up view of a colorful puzzle cube with a mix of red, green, blue, and yellow colors. The cube has a clear plastic case and is sitting on a white background. Okay, okay. So, obviously here we can see some discrepancies, but I mean, obviously there are limitations of how much it can actually recognize and describe right now. But this is the proof of concept, right? I mean, we can see that you upload the image, it will recognize, it knows what it is. I mean, it didn't get it completely right because it's still in development, but you can see the connection is there. And actually the model that's being used here to interpret the image into language is actually a model that is available also for research, and it's not a high-end high-tech available thing which actually now might already be available. So, in other words, there are better image recognition models already. So, once you combine these technologies that we already have, then, you can already have a quite good quality example of this working. So this is just the proof of concept, but I think it's pretty great. So I think this is a pretty great example. I would like you to try other modalities as well, and let me know in the comments what do you think and how it works, and what do you think is possible with these. And see you soon in the next video. Take care.